It looks like the new Samsung Galaxy Note 9 has been benchmarked. The handset recently turned up on the Geekbench benchmarks. The device is listed with the model number SMN960U. This appears to be a test version of the Note 9 and it comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. There will also be another version of the handset with a Samsung Exynos 9810 processor. The new Note 9 is listed with Android 8.1 and it looks like the handset will come with 6 GB of RAM. There is also the possibility of an 8 GB of RAM version of the handset. We are expecting storage options to range from 64 GB to 256 GB. Samsung will probably launch their new Note 9 smartphone sometime in August. Last year model launched in August and Samsung are looking to release the device before this year's iPhones which are due in September.